Kapatid, musta? Tara, Bible study tayo. Basahin natin ang 2 Samuel chapter 8 verse 2. David also conquered the land of Moab. He made the people lie down on the ground in a row, and he measured them off in groups with a length of rope. He measured off 2 groups to be executed for every 1 group to be spared. The Moabites who were spared became David's subject and paid him tribute money. Kapatid, lahat tayo ay binigyan ng lubid ng Diyos, at lahat ng lubid ay may hangganan. Sa bawat dulo ng ating mga lubid ay may naghihintay na pagpapalo o kaya naman ay pagpapala. Huwag mong baliwalain ang pagtutuwid ng Diyos, because according to this passage, if you choose the wrong rope, you will either be executed or spared. Kapatid, Jesus already took your punishment. He was executed because of our sins. Choose Jesus and follow Him so that your life will be spared. Kapatid, follow Jesus. Set Him as your example. Lumakad ka ayon sa kanyang kalooban. This is the tribute acceptable to God. Nakadugtong ang lubid sa iyong mga anak. Susundin nila ang iyong yapak. Kapatid, set a good example for the sake of the next generation. Yun lamang po, mag-iingat kayo and God bless.